guys, 2 weeks of eating one meal a day, and I can't believe I feel this good. It was definitely a challenge, I'm not gonna lie, but I think I kind of like it. Quick video, I'm going to talk about one, what time you're supposed to eat your one meal a day, and two, how I dealt with hunger and cravings. On my first week of the one meal a day keto diet, which was last week, I lost 5 pounds, and this week I lost a whopping 4 pounds for a total of 9 pounds in 2 weeks, which is awesome. My name is Keish, and I'm on a big weight loss and glow up journey in 2024, and I've lost almost 60 pounds now, which is crazy coming from someone who's been on a yo-yo diet her whole entire life. So here's a little background. I've been on keto since January of 2024 because I joined a big weight loss challenge where I would win $2,000 for losing 60 pounds. And then I'm on my last month of that challenge and I still have a few more pounds to lose. Let's jump into the first part, which is what time are you supposed to eat that one meal a day? And the answer is it's hugely dependent on your lifestyle. You have to do what works best for you. In my case, I work from 9 to 5 or 7 to 3, and I'm usually extremely hungry at the end of the day when I get home and I'm comfortable in my jammies and in my own home with my husband. So that's the time that I choose to eat. Like for example, I have a friend who does one meal a day who eats at lunch because she loves eating with her coworkers. The time of the day that you eat doesn't matter as much as consistently fasting for 22 to 23 hours. So most people do a 1 hour eating window, but some people also do a 2 hour eating window. I do a 1 hour eating window. I eat all of my meals in one sitting. Now let's jump into part 2, which is how I deal with hunger and cravings. This might be a little bit controversial. Diet soda. I put it on a glass of ice and have my little sippy throughout the day. I don't do it every day, just on the days where the sugar cravings are pretty strong. Along with the Diet Coke is black coffee and tea, plain tea, and also chewing gum. Chewing gum helps a little bit with of the need to chew or eat something. So chewing gum does help me a lot. Another 0-calorie drink that I also like to have is sparkling water. It gives a little bit of that smell of something sweet without having any calories and sticking to your fasting plan. Second tip I have for controlling hunger and cravings is staying busy. The main thing that's keeping me busy right now, aside from work, is my YouTube channels, my social, and also my TikTok as well. So I'm loving that. I'm loving the creative side of things, keeping me busy. Number 3 is to control your stress. Definitely the higher the stress level, the hungrier and the more cravings that you have. So how do I lower down my stress level? Meditation in the morning, listening to music, and also I take magnesium glycinate as a supplement at night. Helps with sleep, helps me with my stress and anxiety. But like any other supplement, please ask your doctor first before taking any supplement. The fourth one and the most underrated tip is to get enough sleep. Or the less I sleep, the hungrier I get. So if I get 2 to 4 hours of sleep at night, I'm extra hungry the next day. If I get 6 to 7 hours of sleep, then I'm usually good the next day when it comes to hunger pangs. Last but not the least is to eat adequate calories, which I mentioned earlier, and protein in that one meal. So I make sure that everything is calculated where I am not I'm getting enough protein in that meal. So how do you have enough protein without it being too bulky for one meal? What I do is I eat high protein meats like beef and chicken, and then I limit the fiber just a little bit, because if I eat too much veggies, it fills me up too much and I'm not able to eat my proteins, which I still do have a good amount of veggies. If you see my video before this, I do show some samples of my one meal a day and how that looks like. That being said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. It's 2 more weeks to go until the end of my weight loss challenge, where I'm going to win $2,000, and that'll be a total of 60-pound weight loss. I am super excited. The money is going to a good cause, I promise you, and I'm going to talk about it in a future video, possibly next week. So if you'd like to follow my weight loss journey, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting. That really helps the algorithm see my videos. It gets pushed out to more people. And if you have any questions, concerns, violent reactions, please put it down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer you. And also, as always, please remember, you got this. Have a good week, you guys. Bye.